Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we rebuild a wrecked Copart vehicle in about 10 minutes. Well, 10 minutes for you, but you know, month and a half or so for me, a couple months. So let's get into it anyway. Okay, it's me and Roni.
Give me this.
Back here out at my, nope, the other one, you knucklehead. That's my Mountain Dew. Let's go ahead and take that. Back out here at my mom's, we had our fun. We had our Christmas fun. So now it's time to figure out how to get this turd running and driving. So I'm gonna take the front bumper and grill off and whatever else we need to figure out why we're leaking tranny fluid. Then we can go about doing some kind of a field fix, or I mean, if it's cheap enough to just do the right fix, we'll do that and we'll get some tranny fluid in there and drive it home. Well, that took about 5 seconds. There was exactly one bolt holding it on. I'm guessing what happened is, I'm sure it went to a body shop, you know, before it was totaled, with the thoughts on being repaired, and then it ended up being totaled. They didn't repair it, so they just kind of slammed her back on there with a bolt and some clips. But hey, less work for me. So what we need to see is what's leaking. Transmission fluid, and looks like right there. I'm guessing. God, I wonder if that's even related to the crash. It really doesn't look like it. I wonder if that happened at the body shop. So this guy looks good enough-ish. Looks like it's kind of going uphill a little bit, but you know, that's fine. Oh, that guy must be a power steering cooler. And then so, well, maybe this guy's a little curved. It probably is, because this guy is damaged. So, ooh, that looks broken. Or there's just stuff missing. Yeah, I'm thinking they didn't quite put this back together quite exactly, you know, factory. So we're going to see if we can bypass that tranny cooler for now. And I wonder if there's any refrigerant left in it or not. So this is one of these combo units where it's the AC condenser and the tranny cooler. If the refrigerant has all leaked out, we might as well just go ahead and get a new tranny cooler and condenser deal and slam her in there. But if the refrigerant has not leaked out, then we might just look at bypassing it and putting an external cooler on there or something like that. It's all about the budget fix that they couldn't do because they had to repair it to the certain standard, and we have no standards. So, well, it's cold, but that was pretty easy. Other than wrestling these suckers off of the barbed fittings. Here's the barbed fittings for the tranny cooler part of the condenser, and you can see they go right down there to that block, which is like a thermostat, and then on to the transmission here. So all we need is some kind of 1/2-inch barb to loop those together for now, and a whole bunch of Mercon LV tranny fluid and a battery. So let's go get her. All right, here we go. First drive through the bumper in the back and all my junk. Only took, uh-oh, we got a low tire pressure. It only took about 2 quarts of tranny fluid. It's actually running pretty good. So here's the first miles on. I had no warning lights even until my dang low tire light came on. That's fine. We'll just ease her on home real slow. It's got heated seats, but I clicked it on and then it shut off, so I don't know what that means, but here we go. This thing feels weird. The windshield seems really big. All right, well, this thing just drove me about 15 miles home with no problems other than a low tire, and I had to add a little bit more tranny fluid once we went down the road and shifted through all the gears. So what an absolute unit. Everything even frickin' works. So far, pleased at the chance that I took. So I'm gonna get this thing back to the driveway, and later tonight or tomorrow we will zip the front off of it and see what else we got broken. Okay, I'll give you a quick walk around here. There's still a couple things that it needs, but overall a solid unit. It's got 20s on it with almost brand new tires. A little bit of whiskey dent damage there, but there's the fixed front end with one used headlight and one restored. Oh, thank you, sir. There you go. All right, anyway. Yeah, there you go. New grill bumper, one used headlight. And before I show you the inside, you could see it a little bit in the old video. I'll stick a card right up here. But I got to give a shout out to Majestik Auto Detailing and Billings, Matt, because this thing was terrible inside. I feel bad for him that there was dog hair, there was a smell, there was dirt. Things had been living in there. You can see this thing has all the sunroof. Anyway, this seat's quite a bit tore up still because whoever had dogs, and I'm guessing the dog always rode on this seat, and it's all tore up, but you know, good enough for my filthy little animals. This thing has all kinds of room. I still have the back seats flip down, and you can see the sunroof there, two in the middle, that there. Anyway, yeah, it's like a completely different vehicle. I won't bore you to tears too much, but that's it. So pretty easy, really. More money than labor, because it all kind of just clicked together like Legos. So that's that. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.